Yeah! Yeah!
We're headed to Big Sky, Montana.
Yeah. I'm very excited. Ready to see some western mountains. I'm ready to not be able to breathe, you know? Good times.
Welcome to Big Sky, Montana.
So I'm up here in Big Sky, Montana. We're at the Total Archery Challenge TAC. We got Origin and Jocko fuel. This is an amazing place. Go up in the mountains, breathe that fresh air, drink some good beverages, and slay some foam out there on the archery course. Great time. Just representing America. That's what we're doing.
We're just walking around stalking people that are wearing Origin, and I'm just saying thank you for supporting.
Good look. That's a good look. We appreciate it, fellas. It's a good looking stone jacket.
Appreciate you.
Yeah, I've been using these for a while.
I just love the American made, the ethos of you guys' company, and then the quality of it is all around just the best.
Looking good.
Oh, that's so good.
All right, now we'll do
You're laughing. That was good.
Yes!
Oh, that's so great.
We're here at Total Archery Challenge here in Big Sky, Montana, and we're gonna go see the mutilation of the Origin dudes. I'm gonna be what you call,
The comedic relief.
No, I'm looking for the other one. I've followed a couple guys from Maine, listening to the Mainers over here eating too much lobster. You guys aren't having a lot of influx of wackos into Maine, are you?
No, they can't survive.
The mosquitoes? You know, shooting for antlers doesn't mean shooting the antler. At this steep angle, in order to hit the vitals, you can't hit the 10 ring. So
We need to figure out, are we going for kill shots or are we going for 10 rings?
We're going for blood. All right, listen to me. Blood.
Oh. Shoulder. Great shot.
well, the waiter seems to be coming in there, fella.
Great. Let's go, baby!
Oh my God!
Wow. Pulled it.
You went low. You
saw me pull it? 30 yards. How did I do that? That was the easiest shot of the day. And I pulled it. And I pulled it. You're gonna watch me center punch this one right here. Okay? You're gonna watch me center punch it. That's what's gonna happen.
Great shot.
Oh, let's go! Daddy's back!
Who are you here to see?
Jocko.
Why do you want to meet Jocko?
Because I love him. I have a quick outfit change.
All right.
In the game.
I got you, Jocko.
Glad to support good companies, man, with good people.
She's in the game! What's up? What's your name?
Ella.
Ella. What's
Yes,
up,
sir.
Ella? How we doing? Where are we looking? We're
Good.
getting
I
this
don't
picture
know.
done.
Do you want to take a selfie?
I'll do whatever you want me to
Jocko
do.
take selfies? Okay, let's get one.
Here we go. Just got done with tack out here in Montana, so we're talking western. You can see I'm just coming off the mountain. It's about 11 o'clock, so it's definitely warmed up. So I just have the burr base layer on, which is awesome. I was dripping with sweat like 3 minutes ago, and it's already dry, so that's killer. You can see there's like a little bit of mesh in here in the armpits, a little bit more breathable, and I mean, but it's just what you want. The first layer, you're going to need this in life. I went out early this morning when it was dark out, and it was definitely chilly, and there was a little rain coming down. So over the burr, I had the nano wool. This is really a piece that I don't leave home without. This is awesome. It dries quick. I wore it last year hunting in Utah in early September when it was still pretty warm. It's great. I wore it for 6 straight days. It still smelled all right. Like I said, it was cold and there was drizzle coming down, so I threw on the stow jacket.
So, because it's an anorak style and you have the low zipper, right, the quarter zip, you can still access your bino harness, still pull your binos out. If you have accessories on the side of your bino harness, because there's a side entry pocket, and because the side entry pocket lets you access the inside, you can still pull out your rangefinder or other utilities that you may have.
Or it's great for a cuddle.
The stow jacket's just perfect. Especially you get up in the mountains, it's gonna be windy. For me, being able to break the wind is another mandatory item, so this is another thing I don't leave home without. I also have my one-of-one floppy hat, so I always wear a floppy hat. When I was a young guy and I finally got to a SEAL team, we got issued a boonie hat like this, a floppy hat. A normal person in the military wouldn't get to wear these, so I thought this was the deal. And then what I found out was there's a reason why they're awesome, because they keep the sun off your whole head, and they're good for camouflage. They shadow your eyes, and they keep the sun off your neck, off your face, and you can crinkle them up and shove them in your bag. It's not like a baseball hat that has the brim that you need to keep squared away. So I've always been a huge fan of floppy hats like this one. So maybe at some point we'll run it so y'all can have one too. We'll see.
So all of us applied for the Maine Moose Lottery this year. I've been a Maine resident. I have a lot of points in the game now, but these guys applied for it, and the lottery was the drawing was today. It just went live. So, are you guys looking, or am I?
You're looking. You're looking.
Okay, we're gonna start with A.
Phil Adams.
Here we go. There's no Phil Adams.
Dang.
It's hot.
All right, now it's you. Yeah, baby! You got a moose tag! Yeah. All right, keep it going.
My heart was like pounding. That's sick. Okay. All right, here we go.
Dude! Yeah! Yes! Yeah! I got a moose tag!
We both did! We both did!
Yeah!
Let's go!
Let's go, baby!
You guys both got moose tags.
Yeah! Fire it up, baby! You're my backup shooter!
I know.
We're going moose hunt, baby! We're going moose hunt!
That's awesome.
Yeah!
All right.
Yeah!
Awesome.